Today we will be reviewing this account, FusionCash, and the same thing will I'll take you to the process of creating this account, and you can see that you will be paid also for signing up. You can see you get a bonus of $5, and then you can actually watch videos, paid clicks, tasks, mobile apps, games, refer, and more. Okay, so for today's video, we'll be creating this account. Now, welcome back, guys, and let me just let's begin. And first of all, make sure to get a proxy before signing up for this account or registering on this account, because find that they usually most take the US region. So that's why I tell you, if you're from Africa or you're not from the US region, just simply get a proxy. I've already shown you how to do the process, and let me begin. I'll just use the same email that I've been using for these tutorials. So the email for Jimmy Samson. So the username, you can either use any username, just like a nickname, right? So okay, for me I just use Samson, let's say 22, and then choose a password. And then confirm password, and then a zip code. You just choose zip code that you're using on the proxy, and then click register. Once you've registered, it will take you to the dashboard, but you've not done yet. You need to go to your email, and you need to confirm your email address. So you see, you're receiving this email because you are registered this email address at FusionCash. So to activate your account, get your sign up bonus and confirm email address, please click on the following link. So you'll have to click on this link, then it will activate and confirm the email address, and then you can log in at any time by visiting is the link for the login. Want to get paid for reading emails, you can click that. So you'll get this email. So let's just dive in and then activate our account. Just click on this link, and you can see that confirmation your account has been confirmed. To get your $5 sign up bonus, please fill out your account information at this time. If you don't complete your information now, you will lose the opportunity to get your sign up bonus. So you just have to click on fill out your account information. Here it is. So you have to put your first name, last name, address, and then the apartment, that's optional, and then demographics, birth date, racial background, gender, and then payment information. You can either choose check, that's a direct deposit if you have a bank, but if you're using a PayPal, just choose PayPal, and then PayPal payment email. This is required, okay? For this one not required, but for the PayPal required. You just input the email that you're going to use for this to be getting the payments. So now let me just do this, fill out everything, and then I'll show you what to do next. Now once after filling out everything, just click on save. Now you see this message, we are sorry, but PayPal was unable to locate an account matching Jimmy Samson at email address this one. So please confirm that your name matches the name on your PayPal account exactly. Keep in mind that transferring your FusionCash account to another individual is prohibited. So you have to create an account using these details. So for me, I haven't created an account. I haven't created an PayPal account with this email, so that you can see they were unable. PayPal was unable to locate an account matching this name. So I haven't created an account email on that. Created the PayPal using this email. So what you'll need to do is create the email, create the PayPal account, I mean, and then use this email with the exact everything on this for this profile, Jimmy Sampson. So do that and follow the process, and then click on save. Just have to, it will be submitted, and then you'll get the $5 bonus. Okay, and then after doing all that, you can just get back the dashboard, and you can see that they have this one is paid to sign up. So get your $5 sign up bonus now. What are you waiting? Also, these are just sign up tasks, right? This one, the best way to rent and buy games. Get video game rentals delivered to your doorstep for only $15 a month. But this is a task. You just follow up requirements, sign up, and get your first 2 months starting at just $10. Rent one game. So these are just for the ones who are in the US. So just look for the ones that you can do it and it's fully remote, all right? But you can go to the video section. The videos will be appeared here. Earn 6 cents. So these are you'll be paid cents. These are just ads. Click on the ad, watch the full ad, then you'll be paid in cents. Okay, so 6 cents. Here are the videos. You're just gonna watch the videos, and then paid to click. So you can see they offer a wide variety of tasks and surveys. So here it is, you can see that, and then click on the task bar. You can see which tasks are available, and then you can see note tasks listed with a reward of 0.5 cents are worth a half of a cent, so not 50 cents, so it's worth half. You can see, so you'll just is temporarily down. Just that's how to maneuver around the dashboard, how to go by. And you can see that on this one, apply this is for Android, or yeah, those are just the type of tasks that they will offer. So I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll share more videos about this on how to create more websites, and give you the directions on what to do next. So see you guys on the next video.